Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do the backside slash. Last time we learned the frontside slash, so let's practice something similar today, is the backside slash. The backside slash grind is pretty much the same as the backside kick turn. The main difference is the height for the turn, because you will do it on the cove. So the backside slash grind is a 180-degree turn to your toe side while you briefly touch the cove. Foot position for this trick is just like when you drop in, the back foot on the tail and the front foot on the balls. To approach this trick, go up the ramp with a slight angle and just enough speed to reach the cove. Start to turn your shoulders and look where you're going, and put a slight pressure on your tail so you're able to control the grind. Gently lift up your front truck and allow your back truck to grind the coping, and make sure you look where you're going and keep your pressure on your tail as long as you grind along the coping. Keep your body within the ramp, do not go up too high because that might scare you and throw you off balance, and make sure you complete the movement as one fluid motion and allow your shoulders and hips to help you with the movement. Try to control the grind just like when you do your backside kick turn. Turn your shoulders, turn your hips and just follow through. Look where you're going and get ready to roll down the ramp. After the grind, make sure you shift back your balance to the center of your board, put down all four wheels and roll away. Let me know in the comments below if you try this trick and you are already cool with it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video. Follow me in different socials. But the most important is to grab your board, then go skate and have fun.